my name is Angie Martinez, Learning Access Coordinator for Academic Services at Lewis University. I'm going to give you a quick orientation to the Accommodated Testing Center. Before we get started, you want to make sure that you are first eligible to use the testing center, and you do that by meeting with either me or another staff member to become eligible for the services. Remember, you are your best advocate for you. You need to notify your instructor when your accommodations need to be implemented. The Accommodated Testing Center is available if your instructor cannot implement your accommodations in the classroom. To schedule an exam, visit www.lewisu.edu/case/testing center. You must fill out the form 48 business hours in advance. If you require a reader for your exam, you must fill out the form 1 week in advance and make sure to indicate that in the box on the form. On test day, check in to room LR 342. Be prepared to show your ID. When checking in, you'll be asked to use the restroom, shut down all electronic devices, and place all items into an assigned locker. Our policy restricts use of electronic devices. All phones, smartwatches must be turned to silent and turned into the box. All items you're taking into the exam room will be inspected by a staff member. After you check in, your proctor will take you to your specific test room. You will take your exam in one of our 9 private testing rooms. Some rooms have access to computers with lockdown browser, as well as screen reading and dictation software. While you're taking your exam, academic services staff will monitor you on camera. If you need to take a break during your exam, please return to the front office with your exam. Please note you cannot access your phone or talk to peers during breaks. The Accommodated Testing Center is here for you. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Our website is www.lewisu.edu/case/testing center. Have a great day.